Today we are playing Hello Neighbor. So turn on the bell and subscribe. So we're gonna play Hello Neighbor today. So Mommy's gonna help me because we are truly playing Hello Neighbor. You see in the screen? We are gonna send this video on YouTube.
Okay, well, that's just the website, the PlayStation website, and that's a place where you buy the game. Okay, you cannot really play. But so what do you think of the Hello Neighbor on PS4?
Great. That is great. So
Yeah, well,
thank you for watching our video. So subscribe if you can subscribe. If your mom cannot subscribe, please tell your mom if she says yes or no.
And she says no, you can't subscribe.
Yeah, well.
So, okay, so I don't like the game. You know why?
Why?
Because we got stuck.
We got stuck.
Yeah, I don't remember which act, but we went really far, and at some point, the neighbor is fencing all the walls. He's adding a lot of the walls. We cannot get out, and I don't know what to do. So we are stuck. We keep coming back to the same area, and it's frustrating. So I know on the PC we can have cheat codes. We can be transparent, so which is a good thing to avoid to be seen by the neighbor. So on the Ps4 we don't have any codes, nothing. So that's lame. And but maybe we should try to play on the PC, no?
Yeah, well, you can watch this video, so you can subscribe if your mom tells it, blah blah blah.
Yeah, she really wants you to subscribe. So anyway, I like this game. It's okay. I think the PC game Hello Neighbor is better. The PS4, not so much. But anyway, they are like other games. You know what? Let's see all the different games. Okay, and you're gonna tell me what you think. Okay?
Okay.
So Call of Duty, no, we don't play with that. I like Final Fantasy. I used to play with Final Fantasy for a long, long time.
No.
But I like it.
No, because I don't like scary stuff.
And
kids never watch something very scary, like Call of Duty, Bendy, Granny, Baldi, Hello Neighbor. Well, Hello Neighbor's fine. It's for kids. But Granny, stuff like that is scary. Okay. You can't watch it.
Okay, and Avengers. Do you like the Avenger game?
I never played it, but...
that's a new one. Yeah, I don't really know what it is. Available in 152 days, so it's not now. It's not really available now, so it's new. Let's see what else. No, but Final Fantasy, they used to have a lot of cool Final Fantasy games. They are very, very nice. And let me just move it like that. Whoop. Do you know? We don't know too many things because we don't really play a lot. So, allez, let's go to the second page.
Second page.
I don't know those guys. Sorry, I am like from a different, a different world. That would be, Daddy would like it. This one, Ikari 3.
Ikari 3?
Yeah.
Well, that's weird.
Yeah, that looks really old, but from the 80s. So anyway, why is moving that? So well, that's weird.
We never played the Chinese games.
Oh no! We played the fighting stuff.
King of Fighters.
Yeah, those guys. I don't know if it's on Chinese or Japanese, so I'm sorry about that. No. They have weird games.
Maybe we can play Roblox.
No. You know what? I like Assassin's Creed. Yeah.
No. Let's play like Roblox.
We cannot play here. We are not on the PS4. But just tell me what kind of games you like. I like Assassin's Creed, all of them. I didn't play with the American Revolution, so I don't know what to expect. But what do you think? What do you like? What kind of games do you like?
My favorite game is like
Plants vs Zombies.
Plants vs Zombies GW2. Do you know that game, kids? or you don't know?
So yeah, everyone knows this game. So yeah, so we don't play with a new one. We're finishing the GW2 first. You have to finish, okay?
Yeah, I have to finish because with all that stuff difficult, that is very difficult. Well, for babies, no, you cannot. You cannot play.
Babies, they don't play with Plants vs Zombies.
Yeah.
Seriously. So anyway, well, they're like the PS1 classic. I know. PSP, PS4 full games. Okay, we are selecting those guys anyway. So yeah, I don't really play too much, but Plants vs Zombies. We saw what's the name of the game with a little kid? We can fly.
Uh, the name is Captain Spirit.
Yeah, that's cool. We like it, and I like Assassin's Creed. Maybe God of War, something like that. And I used to play with these. I used to play with Resident Evil as well.
Resident Evil, no. Do not play Resident Evil. There are a lot of zombies.
Yeah, it's just for people who like them. That's it. Or they like to kill zombies. That's
Ah!
it. Yeah, but anyway. So, that's a taste video, because my daughter wants to make one. So there you go. That's Shanti. I'm Emma. Emma, Shanti. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
And what are they supposed to do?
We want to do a video because we want to be YouTubers. We want to win the medal.
To win.
To win the trophy of YouTubers. So that's why we make the video.
We make the video, okay.
And please subscribe because it's important for us to win a lot of money.
There's a lot of mess outside, so sorry about that. You have a nice day, take care, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye-bye.
See the next video, okay?
Yeah, see you next time. Bye-bye.
Bye.